While we were using a couple of different services, one geared specifically towards workshops for elder law attorneys, which is the area we practice in, and another that serves general businesses in the area of Facebook ads. And so, working with both of those companies, we were getting underwhelming results and having a significant cost. With COVID switching over to virtual events such as webinars, our results were really lagging. I have to say that has all changed. We're thrilled with the number of RSVPs we get for our events, as well as the number of individuals who actually show up, which just kind of blows us away. On the lowest side, we've seen 40%, but we've had as high as a 72% show up rate. So we couldn't be happier with those results. And one of the other things is we build a new campaign each month and we keep the prior campaign going. So I believe we're in our third month. We've got webinars running both live and virtually 3 days a week right now. We're now able to revise back upward because we actually are getting the leads that we need to continue to grow. We've had wonderful results, and we came in very skeptical, extremely skeptical. And so as long as I think that there is good communication, it is a wonderful relationship. Can't say enough about Dustin. He is an absolute wizard. He sits down and talks with my marketing team, and we really modify and change and continue to tweak those campaigns until they're getting the results that we're looking for. We do feel like we've got a real partner in this and no longer throwing a dart at a wall, but we're actually hitting the targets.